Good evening. My name is Samantha Gunderson, and I have created a billboard for your use in the Against Distracted Driving campaign that your program is putting on. If it's all right with you, I would like to go over my design choices. I chose the focal point of this billboard to be the text. While you normally want a PSA to be light on the amount of text that you use, you also want to ensure that your point gets across. I chose this text to directly complement the visual aid of the stoplight picture. Stopping being in all caps, sans serif, and matching the red at the top of the stoplight. Starts is also in all caps, sans serif, and matches the green at the bottom of the stoplight. I chose this Microsoft sans serif font because I felt it was the closest that I could find to the highway Gothic font of a traditional stop sign. I had some issues with the color choice for distracted driving, and I finally decided on yellow, as it stands out and follows the color theory theme of a stoplight. Finally, the "with you" in handwritten style text at the bottom really pulls this design together. As I briefly mentioned, my color choice would seem haphazard if not being compared to a stoplight, and I feel as though the background brings a real-life setting to this PSA and gives a behind-the-steering-wheel feel. I hope that you will consider my design in your next billboard for your Against Distracted Driving campaign, as it is gender and age neutral and should appeal to all drivers. Thank you for your time, and remember, stopping distracted driving starts with you.